everyone. So, first of all, I would like to thank you all for making 500 subscribers on my YouTube channel. So, really, this means a lot for me for making 500 more than 500 subs on my YouTube channel. So, I am really thankful to you all and thanks a lot for supporting me like this. And I really hope you are learning something new from my tutorials and creating something much better than my tutorials. So, thank you everyone, and let's move on to our video. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to make a lamp, a simple modern lamp as you can see on my screen. So let's begin. So first of all, go to general. Now delete this three camera, light and this cube. Now go to add mesh, then select a cylinder and keep its vertices on 12. Now press 1 for front view and just scale it for by pressing S. Now just do it like this, just like I'm doing, and then press tab key for edit mode and add some loop cuts tool on this like this. So this is our lamp's face part. So press Ctrl B and then bevel it and drag your mouse and scroll it so you will see the results. Now select this upper face and just press E and S and just extrude it like this. Press again like this. Now scale it like this. Just make some designs. Just I'm making some designs for my lamp like this. So like this we have created it like this. Now select this under part of our model and just press shift D for duplicating it. Now right click, then separate the selection. Now again you have separated that selection, press E and S for extruding it like this. So this will be our steel part of our bottle, sorry, of our model. So like this. Now just give it some shape as you require like this. Now add some loop cuts tool over here. First of all, let's separate these parts like this. After we have separated this, just keep it over here and select its bottom part like this. Now press E and S for extruding, inserting it like this, like this. Now just make again Control B for beveling it, for adding the smoothness to it like this. Now for down part, do the same as we have done earlier for the upper part like this. Control B and just you can see like this. After that, just match it like this. After matching it, connecting it like this, just keep it over here like this. So after that, select this hole and press Ctrl 1, then press smooth shade. Now again let's add some loop cuts over here for making those areas sharp in looking like this. Just add loop cuts tool wherever it require as per your choice like this. Add one here, one here. Now again select this part and press E and S like this. So you can see. Now press Control 1 and smooth shade that. So like this. Now here also add some loop cuts tool over here like this. So we have finished with the main parts of our lamp model. Now let's move further on further parts. First of all, take a UV sphere and keep segments and rings on 12 like this. Now select these faces and just press delete key from your keyboard. Now press just S for scaling that part and just scale it like this on Z axis. Keep it over here. So this is typically this is a bulb part of our model. So just keep it over here like this. So you can see done like this. Now again press Ctrl 1 for adding the smoothness like this. After that, just you can see your model by all side you need. Now let's some more details on our model. Just move on to its bottom part. Now press E and S, then again E, then just insert it like this, just for making shapes for that like this. Now add some edge loop tool over here like this. Just add it like this. So it will add the sharpness to our model like this. You can notice the difference by your own. eyes like this. So after that we have finished with our lamps, means that head part we have finished with it. Now let's make the further part. Now select it and keep it over here. Just select it whole. Now go to side view and just rotate it like this. So this is the head part of our light bulb, means the lamp like this. Now just press S for scaling it as per your choice. Now go to add mesh and select a cube like this. After selecting a cube, just press S from your keyboard for scaling it. Now let's keep it over here and adjust its size like this, like that. Now press tab key from your keyboard for moving on to editing mode and just scale it from bottom part like this. Now delete these parts, delete key, delete these faces for this. Now this is basically the handle of our model. So like this, and now keep it over here, make some designs as you like, as your choice. Now select these parts, the side parts. Now again press Ctrl B. Like this. So you can see now we have completed with its down part also. Now let's add some more detailing on this part like this. Just adjust its size, whatever you like you can do it. So after that, go over here, go to add modify, then select a solidify, and you can increase or decrease its thickness from here, and just simply go over here and just apply that. After applying, just add some loop cuts tool for making those edges more creased, more sharp like this. After this, just add some designs, looks as you like this. Now press Ctrl 1 and just smooth shade it. Just you have to see the proportions, does your model have a perfect proportions or not, and if not, you can also take some reference from Google, and then just you can make your model by your own choice like this. Now after that, let's add a UV spear for making its nuts, for side making it side nuts. For that, just select this spear and press tab key from your keyboard for moving on the editing mode, and then just delete these faces from here. Delete this face and then go over here and just rotate it on y-axis 90 degree like this. Now keep it over here, over the side of our lamps model like this. Just keep it over here perfectly as you like, and just little bit small, and you can keep it here. Now let's mirror it for other side. So for that, go to add modify, then select mirror and do as I'm doing on my screen like this. After that, just select it and bring it over here. Just I am seeing on my proportion of my model. Just so after it is done, now let's add a plane over here for making our model look like we have kept our model on something like table or anything you may say to it like this. Now just bevel it and press S for scaling. Just give any shape you like, anything, or else you can leave it on solid also like that. Now just like this. So go to on shading mode like this from here. Now let's color it whole. So first of all, select this part and press Ctrl J for grouping those both. And just you can keep any color as you like. So I would like to just keep a simple, means pale color to it, means simple lighter color on my model as I like, and increase its metallic part, decrease its roughness, or increase, as do whatever as you like. And the inner part is of steel, so I will just make it like this as you can see. Now for the nuts, for its side, just increase its roughness and increase its metallic and give it a right color. Now let's add texture to its lamps this handle part. For that, just like these, select these from here, and these segments from here like this. Now right click and click on mark seam like this. So after that, just go over here like this. Now take a new, go to base color and click on image texture. Then you can open your own image. So after opening your textured image like this, now let's go on to our UV editing, and just keep on click on this and just clear select all this object and click on unwrap. So you can see our model is also has been unwrapped like this. So you can see how perfect this is looking like this. So once we have completed with that, now let's move on to our model's bulb part. So just keep this like this. Now select its bulb part here and go over here. Now click on emission, and you can keep any color as you like, and go to render view, and you can change its emission strength over here like this. And if you can't see the this changes, just go and on to render engines, then convert it into cycles, so you can see the difference how cool it is looking. Now you can also increase or decrease its strength like this, like this. So as you can see how cool our model is looking and how pretty it is, so like this. So you can try making other thing also by using this emission technique. So you can also create a firefly, a cartoon firefly as you like, or else I will make a separate tutorial for firefly like this. So like this, just let's add some background image to our model like this. Now just environment texture. So I will like to take this texture like this. So as you can see, we have totally completed with our modeling part of our this lamp model, a simple model lamp, you can say, in other words, I don't know. So this is a simplest table lamp I have ever made like this. Now just bring your camera over here and just press F12 for getting the final render results. So I hope you all like this tutorial, and yeah, sure, learn something new from this. So please give this tutorial a like, and please do stay with me and stay tuned. Till then, bye bye and take care.